In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Wix website HTML code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the source of a Wix page in your browser and copy the HTML you see there, along with a few practical tips to make the process smoother. Start by opening the Wix page you want to pull code from in a desktop browser. Make sure the page is fully loaded. For this method, it helps to click on an area of the page that isn't covered by images, text boxes, or other elements. A reliable spot is the empty area of the vertical scroll bar on the right side of your browser window. Right-clicking there avoids selecting a specific widget and brings up your browser's general context menu. From that menu, choose View Page Source. In some browsers, this might appear as View Source or just Source, but it's the same option. Your browser will open a new tab showing the raw HTML for the page. It'll look like a lot of code with tags, attributes, links to style sheets, and references to scripts. Don't worry, that's exactly what you want to see. A quick note on what you're looking at. Wix builds pages dynamically, which means parts of the page are constructed with JavaScript and connected resources. The page source gives you the initial HTML your browser received, plus references to external files. It's a useful snapshot for learning, debugging, or saving the markup, but it won't replicate the full Wix editor experience or export your site as a standalone project. Interactive features, databases, and some app content rely on scripts and services outside the single HTML file. Now, to copy the code, click anywhere in the Source tab, select all, and copy. On Windows, that's usually Ctrl+A followed by Ctrl+C. On Mac OS, use Command+A and Command+C. This copies everything visible in the source view. If you only need a section, you can highlight just that part instead, but grabbing the full source is often simplest. You can then paste it wherever you need it, like a text editor, a code editor, or a document for reference. Keep in mind, the HTML you copy mirrors the page you're viewing at that moment. If you change the page in Wix and refresh, the source will update accordingly. Also, only copy and use code and content you have rights to. This method is for viewing and copying the rendered HTML, not for exporting a Wix site or redistributing protected materials. That's it. Right-click the empty area of the scroll bar, open View Page Source, and copy the HTML you see. Thanks for watching, and take your time exploring the source to understand how the page is structured.